What up, y'all? I'm Ryobi Rick. We down here at the Diablo studio. I am your safety second officer. You see my badge? This means I am the safety second officer on site. Make sure all the things are getting done safely. What up, y'all? My name's Ryobi Rick down here at the Diablo Studios. I am your safety second officer. I make sure this here badge tells everybody on site that I am in charge of safety, and I will call them out on their stuff. So Ryobi Rick's safety tip of the day: when you're changing your blade on your little Ryobi saw, make sure you disconnect your battery. You ain't gonna be losing no fingers, okay? You know what I'm saying? Now, when we're changing this here saw blade, you look back here, there's an Allen wrench. This here Allen wrench fits right there in that hole. Okay? Now, if you just put that right in the hole right away, your blade's just gonna spin. You're not gonna get her undone. So go to the front of your saw, right here, there's a button that holds that blade in place. So you go ahead and hold that there button and twist your blade until you find a natural locking point. And then put your Allen wrench on there and you can get a little pressure to it. Take that off, go ahead and pull the guard back, pop the blade up and out. Now, I've gotten this forward. When you get new blades, they come with these little doohickeys. And they look like washers, but they're not. That's the one that fits in my saw blade. This here Diablo saw blade, I'm gonna put her on this here saw. So keep the battery out the entire time while you're doing this, so you can keep all your fingers intact. You're gonna pull your guard back. Make sure you find the right size, little piece to put in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put that blade right on there. This side out. The side with the wording goes out. Put that on there. Hand thread. Y'all threads is gonna be backwards than how you normally think they should be thread. How you been told your whole life. Go ahead and put that blade on there. Find your little locking point. Put your alley wrench on there. Tighten her down. And so you don't lose this here Allen wrench that the saw comes with, go ahead and stick it right back in here. Now that you are safely done tinkering with this here blade, go ahead and stick this here battery in there. And oh, she rips, bud. Thank y'all for watching my safety tip of the day, and y'all just learned how to put a new blade on your small Ryobi Circular saw. Man, this is awkward. I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna pretend to have to go to work. I'm done talking and y'all are still looking at me. Just remember, name's Ryobi Rick, and I am the safety second officer on site, on facility for Diablo Studios.